Desktop Health, we are committed to creating the highest quality 3D printers and materials for medical device and dental solutions. I'm really excited to talk to you today about the 3D-Bioplotter by Desktop Health, which is a state-of-the-art 3D printer for manufacturing of medical devices and other biosolutions.
The 3D-Bioplotter has been on the market for over 2 decades. We have 3 machines available: the Starter Series, the Developer Series, and the Manufacturing Series. Parts of the machines are designed and produced in Switzerland.
The 3D-Bioplotter is a very unique solution because it has 5 different print heads that can swap in and out, including those for UV curing, for low temperature materials, and for high temperature materials that can even go up to as high as 500 degrees Celsius, which is the largest temperature range on the market. Additionally, the 3D-Bioplotter has a temperature-controlled print bed where you can bring your prints anywhere from -10 degrees Celsius up to 80 degrees Celsius as you're printing. Its axes have resolution down to 1 micron, meaning that these movements are very precise. Additionally, there's automatic calibration of the nozzles via a camera system and also a nozzle cleaning system integrated into the unit. The integrated camera can record layer by layer for verification of your prints at a later date. The software is very easy to use, enabling users to program multiple materials together, including low temperature materials, high temperature materials, and support materials, all in a single part. The resolution of your parts is really determined by the nozzles that you're using, and we've successfully used nozzles as small as 100 microns in inner diameter for the manufacturing of the phonograph device, which is a novel biodegradable device for eardrum repair.
The Bioplotter is a very intuitive machine to use. When guidance is needed, there are support teams to provide insight, which is important for tissue engineering applications when everyone's use of the machine is different.
The 3D printing process with the 3D-Bioplotter is straightforward. First, you upload a CAD file of your part into the software, and the software will then slice this into a print path. Then you decide what materials that your part is going to be made of. You can load a wide variety of materials, everything from viscoelastic liquids, hydrogels, photocross-linkable materials, and thermoplastics as well. Once these materials are loaded into the barrel and loaded onto the printer, then the printer can begin to print. It will start by taking the first material print head and calibrating the nozzle so that it knows exactly where it is with respect to the build plate. These materials can then be patterned layer by layer on top of each other, switching materials back and forth as the part requires. In this way, you can easily produce a complex part comprised of many different materials in a single print. There are 2 different support materials available for use with the 3D-Bioplotter. One for use with low temperature hydrogel inks and another for use with high temperature thermoplastic inks. Our team really likes that both of these ink systems are fully dissolvable in water. So what this means is that you can create a complex medical device with many different parts and overhangs on it, and then simply wash away the support material, leaving your part behind. At many Tier 1 research institutions across the globe, the 3D-Bioplotter is being used to move the nozzle in healthcare. There are researchers all over the globe developing custom blends of metals, ceramics, hydrogels, and unique print paths to develop complicated and reproducible medical devices that are going to go into a patient and improve their life.